Hey guys, Dave here. Sloppy Joes, everybody just loves them, but sometimes when you make them up, get the stuff in the can and mix it with the meat, it's just not the greatest. Well, here's a recipe that's quick, simple, and easy and makes the best Sloppy Joes in the world. So let me share it with you and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is throw some oil into a pan over medium-high heat. Then add in half a small chopped onion. This is just a white onion. You can use whatever onion you like. Follow that with half a green chopped bell pepper. You could use red as well. And we'll just stir and saute this until that wonderful aroma of onion fills the air, and this will take about 2 minutes. Then we're going to grab up about a pound of ground beef and toss that in. Break it up a little bit, and then we're going to stir and fry until that beef cooks through and is no longer pink. Now the beef is looking good. I'm going to throw in 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Of course, stir this around until that wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air and things are starting to smell good now. Add in 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, and this thickens things up and makes it nice and rich and tasty. Then 2 tablespoons of smoked hickory barbecue sauce. I just love that smoky taste. You could even throw in some liquid smoke too if you like. Once again, stir everything around until it begins to come together ever so nicely. And I mean, just look at this, guys. Isn't it looking spectacular? A lot like Sloppy Joes, but we ain't done yet. Because I'm going to throw in a tablespoon of brown sugar. Of course, a couple of tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce for that depth of flavor. Half a cup of ketchup. You can use just about any old ketchup. I prefer the French's, but again, up to you. About a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, just to add that tangy taste to it. Then season things up with about a teaspoon of salt. Of course, another teaspoon and a half of ground black pepper. And you know what? I'm going to throw in a 1/4 teaspoon of hot pepper flakes just for that little bit of additional heat. And last but not least, half a cup of good rich beef broth. You guessed it, grab up the old spoon and stir everything around. And my goodness, I don't know about you, but this is beginning to look like the ultimate Sloppy Joe mixture. And here are the final stages. I am going to grab up a bun and throw it onto my grill just to get those nice grill marks and have it toasted. And this is over medium-high heat. It doesn't take very long, just 2 or 3 minutes, something like that. Just look at this, perfecto. So we'll throw some butter on here. Bun onto a plate. Grab up some of that Sloppy Joe mixture and onto the bun. I don't have to tell you all this, but it is kind of fun watching it. I mean, just look at this. Who can't resist? Then just go ahead and pop the top on. And there you have it, my friends. The best darn Sloppy Joes in the world. You are going to love these. And you bite into these. These are oh so good. You are simply going to love them. You're going to run out and tell everybody and invite the neighbors over and all your friends. And if you do make them up, leave us a comment because I love to read them. And most of all, like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we shall see you in the next video.